Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel, First Class International Trading Signals channel, trading the right way wherever you are. My name is S and I'll be with you today. So following from my last program, I hope you've subscribed to my channel. Today's theme or topic is commodities, so that's namely gold and other areas. So we look at them. Before we waste any more time, we'll just get back in this area. So the commodities, like I said, includes gold, silver. You can get other areas such as oil as well, Brent crude oil. So the gold commodity is booming and trending since COVID. A lot of investors are in gold and institutional investors. Gold is a security for someone's safe haven in volatile markets. It is also a safe investment longer mid-term. It has become extremely profitable for years, heading towards monthly quad tops, well over $2,000 an ounce. It is also quite difficult to trade in daily routines, and like oil needs to be traded on longer term time frames, smaller positions. What affect gold? Uncertainty in the markets could affect gold around the world. If the market's affected, it could affect the gold price. It's well correlated with the Aussie USD against the dollars in the past. So as the dollar rises, it decreases in theory, and vice versa. In practice, really, this hasn't happened recently. The price shows the strength of the USD is now hedged by a high gold price. The Aussie USD now is lower in value. This makes it a more difficult trade. It is popular in all trading sessions now throughout the world. So although it's difficult to trade, it's still quite popular. There are other commodities such as silver and copper, etc. I will expand on other commodities or metals later. So let's get on with the signals this week on the weekly trading platform. Weekly trading setup. So there we're looking at. So there it is. It's XAU with USD, and the current position is a sell position. It's in a gold, and that's coming very strong. So we're looking to sell it at the double top. The reason for that is because there's been sustained long-term buying. There's a lot of tops forming. And the price usually corrects from when it leads to a top. Technically, it will correct. So buying this correction on the long term is a good investment, because the actual gold price could be exhausting. So then that's the reason why it reverses, and hence, as you can see, the signal there is quite profitable even on the weekly. But as things stand, these signals, this weekly signal, it could obviously develop into healthy profits if it goes the right way. So that's the signal with regards to the gold today. So like I said, as the weeks get on, we'll look to enhance these areas. So I'll look to add silver signals on, and other commodities, will bring them in over the coming weeks. So I hope you've enjoyed this, although it's a short program today. You've actually enjoyed the technical aspect of the gold signal. So thanks for being with me today. I'll see you next time.